and welcome to this episode of Magic Minutes. Today we're going to discuss how keyboard mappings are handled within Axon. And whenever I say keyboard mappings, I'm talking about a scenario where you might want to map an IBM function, like a field exit, to a different key than it's currently mapped to. The default key within Axon when you install it for a field exit would be the control key, and lots of people like to swap that with their enter key. So let's go ahead and explore how we do that. First, you're going to need to make sure that you have Axon open and that you have any program open. We need a tab with an area inside that we can click on. So we're going to right click inside this tab, and inside the contextual menu that pops up, we're going to choose Map Keys. Now that will pull up our key mapping interface. Inside this key mapping interface, you'll see that it has two different sections. One is functions and the other is what they're mapped to. This is divided in half. We have the map to for the location standard and also a second map to, which might be the number pad on your keyboard, for example. You'll notice that the key mapping interface is broken into two sections. One is keyboard functions, and the other are the actual physical keys that they're mapped to. In our situation, we want to take the enter function, which is currently mapped to the enter key, and the field exit function, which is currently mapped to the control key, and we want to swap those. In no particular order, we can come down and choose the enter key. It's the first one that I came upon. I will click map key, and it's going to prompt me and ask me to press the key I would like to have it mapped to. So I'm going to press the control key. Now, you'll notice that it's giving me a warning. It's saying that the control key is already mapped to field exit. Am I sure that I want to replace this function? And yes, I do. Then I need to find field exit and click map key. And once again, it's going to ask me to click on the key that I want to perform the field exit. I'm going to click on the enter key, and you'll see that that changes right here, and I'm done. I can click on done. And now my control key performs the enter function and my enter key performs the field exit function. Thank you for joining me on this episode of Magic Minutes. Look forward to seeing you next time.